Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and signing in. Once done, tap your profile avatar in the bottom right. This shows your account. Next, tap the three-line menu at top right to access settings. This is where History Tools live. Make sure you use the account where the activity occurred because you can only view that account's history. If you manage multiple accounts, switch now. These initial steps get you straight into the app's controls, so you can locate search and activity details. Once in settings, go to your activity, then choose Search History. It lists recent queries. You can tap any entry to repeat the search, or press the clear option to remove one or all items. Use filters if available to narrow to keywords or accounts. Make sure to scroll to load older items because Instagram may paginate results. If you need a specific date range, use manual scrolling and keyword filtering. This helps find that one elusive search without erasing everything unintentionally. To finish, clear or manage entries as needed, then close and reopen Instagram to ensure changes sync. You can rerun important searches or save found posts to collections for easy recovery. This prevents losing bookmarks. If results don't update, make sure the app is updated and you're online, because stale cache can hide changes. As a troubleshooting tip, log out and back in or reinstall the app if history won't clear. That forces a fresh sync and usually resolves persistent display errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.